Hey business owners, do you want to recover your suspended Google My Business profile? Follow these instructions to try and recover your suspended GMB profile. Step 1. Understand the reason for suspension. This can be due to various reasons, such as violating guidelines, spam, or inaccurate information. Understanding the reason is crucial for the recovery process. Step 2. Fix the issue. Reason for the suspension. Inaccurate business information, e.g., incorrect address, phone number, or business name. Violation of Google's guidelines, e.g., using fake reviews, keyword stuffing in the business name, or offering prohibited services. Duplicate GMB profiles for the same business location. Step 3. Remove violating content. If you've identified any content that violates Google's guidelines, remove or update it. This could include inappropriate images, spammy keywords, or misleading information. Step 4. Fix duplicate listings. If your business has multiple GMB profiles for the same location, you should merge or delete the duplicates. Keep the most accurate and updated profile. Step 5. Appeal for reinstatement. Log in to your GMB account and look for the Support or Help option. Provide any relevant information and documentation that supports the accuracy and legitimacy of your business. Step 6. Be patient. Google's review process may take some time. Be patient and wait for their response. If they require any additional information, promptly provide it to expedite the process. Step 7. Follow up. If you don't receive a response within a reasonable time, follow up with Google My Business support. Keep your communication polite and professional. Step 8. Comply with guidelines. Once your GMB profile is reinstated, ensure you adhere to Google's guidelines to avoid future suspensions. Remember, the recovery process may not always be successful, especially if your business has repeatedly violated Google's guidelines. However, by addressing the issues and appealing properly, you improve your chances of getting your Google My Business profile back in good standing. For more updates, follow us today.